Hello and welcome to Gadgets 360. Today I have with me the Redmi Note 10T 5G. It is the first 5G smartphone from Xiaomi's Redmi series. Priced from Rs 13,999, it offers a 90Hz refresh rate display, a MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor and a 5000 mAh battery. So let's just unbox this phone and have a look at what's inside. But before I do that, I would recommend you head to the Gadgets 360 YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you stay notified whenever we upload a new video. So here is the Redmi Note 10T 5G. It's a typical Redmi box with the Redmi packaging. Let's just quickly look at the specifications at the back. There's the MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, the 90Hz Full HD Plus LCD display, a 48MP triple camera at the back, and a 5000 mAh battery. This is the mint green variant, the finish of the phone with 4GB RAM and 64GB of storage. This is going to be the documentation, the SIM ejector tool, and the case. Typical TPU case. Keep that aside. Here is the phone in the mint green finish. Looks quite nice. We'll come back to that later. Let's just see what else is inside the box. There's a Type-C USB cable and your charging adapter. Now this is a 22.5 watt charging adapter. So here is the Redmi Note 10T 5G. As you can see, it features a nice matte finish. This is a mint green finish. It looks quite interesting, I must say. The back and the frame are made out of plastic, not glass. The front is made out of glass, Gorilla Glass 3 to be precise. But yeah, there's a typical speaker here and your headphone jack at the top. The fingerprint reader is on the side. Above it is the volume rocker, and here is the SIM card tray. The phone feels quite relatively light to hold. I think it's not too heavy. And here is the triple camera setup, which is similar to the stuff that we have seen on competing smartphones so far. And now that we have unboxed the device, let me just quickly set up the smartphone. Now that I have set up the phone, let's take a closer look at the Redmi Note 10T 5G. Xiaomi's Redmi Note 10T 5G is available in 4 finishes: chromium white, graphite black, metallic blue and mint green. We received the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage variant in mint green. Like the rest of the Redmi Note 10 series, the Redmi Note 10T 5G uses Xiaomi's evolved design philosophy, but uses plastic for the frame and the back panel. Xiaomi also claims that the Note 10T 5G is splash-proof with a P2I coating. The display is protected by a Gorilla Glass panel and has a hole punch cavity for the front-facing camera. The phone weighs 190 grams and feels relatively slim at 8.92mm. The fingerprint reader sits on the right side and is embedded in the power button. There is a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus LCD display with a 90Hz refresh rate. Xiaomi seems to have skipped on the Super AMOLED panel, which otherwise made its way to the rest of the smartphones in the Note 10 series this year. Xiaomi claims that it is an adaptive sync display which can change its refresh rate between 30, 50, 60 and 90Hz depending on the app that is being used to save battery life. The Redmi Note 10T 5G uses the MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor, which uses an integrated 5G modem. The phone also offers dual 5G standby and is available in a 4GB RAM and 64GB storage variant at Rs 13,999 and a 6GB RAM and 128GB storage variant at Rs 15,999. Flipping over the phone reveals the 48MP triple camera setup. The rear camera setup includes a 48MP primary camera, a 2MP macro, and a 2MP depth sensor. Selfie duties are handled by an 8 megapixel camera. As for the battery, the phone features a 5000 mAh battery and comes with a 22.5 watt charger in the box. But the phone only supports 18 watt charging. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 10T 5G offers MIUI 12, which is based on Android 11 out of the box. The software seems smooth and well optimized, and the 90Hz display makes it appear fluid. Keeping its price in mind, the Redmi Note 10T 5G will compete with devices like the Realme Narzo 30 5G that is priced at Rs 15,999 and the Poco M3 Pro 5G that is also priced from Rs 13,999. Since all of them have similar specifications, the success of the Redmi Note 10T 5G mainly depends on its camera, software and battery performance. So that is our quick unboxing and your first look at the Redmi Note 10T 5G. What do you think about this device? Let us know in the comment section below. And as always, for all things tech, stay tuned to Gadgets360.com.